Hello everyone, this is the remote and I'll show you how to change the battery. This is a garage opener uh, for the remote for the garage opener for LiftMaster, and I'll show you how to replace a battery. Was working fine, just out of battery, and now I have to go a little far, come close to open the garage and close, and now every day is getting low and low, so I'm just going to replace the battery. So you just pull this back, push this back, and this thing will come out, and I'm going to use a flip small screwdriver. Is this one, this size, right? Okay. So you push a little bit here and little bit from the here, this side, from all the side. Use the flip, this side, this side. Just be easy with it, and this thing will open like this. And you can see here there is a battery here, right there, and okay, so the battery came out, and this is the battery here. Okay, so I'll show you the batteries. You can get it from even from the dollar store, and the number is hard to read, but you can read it. Is is 032 is yeah, that's the number you can see on the back of the battery, and you can get it from any store, and it's easy to replace once you got the battery. I'm going to get the battery, and once I'll get the battery, obviously I'm going to just put it back here. Make sure this part goes on the back same way, like this. Like this, and then you just pull the same way back here, and then just press it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.